I think I can start my session. So I think I am audible.
Yes,
I
sir.
think yes, yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
So I think start. I think there is a good session I want to start now. That is the social media marketing and introduction and its significance. So that particular things I think we can start with by some statistics. So through that we will enter the main part of the system. First, what we will discuss today, that is what is our learning objective or learning specialty. First one is the what are the important statistics about the social media. Second one is that what is the social media marketing, and third one is the what are the various platform of social media marketing. First of all, what is social media? Social media is the collective of online community channels dedicated to community-based input, interaction, content sharing, and collaboration. That means you have a social media, something is there where you can share your things. Maybe your personal life, maybe some blogs, some images, some small videos like 15 seconds to 30 seconds, some images, some more text to define yourself. So that is basically a social media. What are the social media? So that things we can continue again. So website and application dedicated to forums, microblogging, social networking, total bookmarking, social curation, and wikis. So I think all of particular points are self-explanatory, and I have already discussed it. So I can go for the next one. So social media has changed the way our lives, because our lives has been totally changed for this social media. Social media is everywhere. It is unavoidable. It is powerful. It is here to stay. So that is the major thing of the social media. Social media. Should I invest in the social media? That we have to think. Will it be will to desire the result, and will it be effective, and so on. So these things we can think for our uh, digital marketing, which is mainly applicable to rural part. Let me show some statistics. I want to show some statistics here. Large number of people are in social media, so I can give some key statistics. So if we give the 5-year social media growth statistics, like 2015, that is 2.078 billion active users. What is 2016, 2.307, that is 11% growth. And finally, we can think that 2019 is 3.484 billion people. Whereas 2020 is 3.960 billion people, because 2021 we are still thinking that growth will be more, because 2020 you may know the COVID cases, that social media attraction has already been increased, and that is by 14%. That is one of the maximum level, and we hope that 2021 it will also increase. Generation wise breakup of the social media users: 90.4% is the millennials, 77.5% is the generation X, and 48.2% is the baby boomer. They are the active social media users. So I am already given that is a source of the data. So you can, I have already shared the sources. That means websites from how you got the information. So that is that. So anybody can see it through any web linking and etc. Now, how much time to do we spend on the social media? On an average, 2 hours 24 minutes are spent per day per person on social networking and messaging. This is huge, huge. And that is for the India is 2 hours 36 minutes. So persons who are using is there 2 hours 36 minutes per day. That is a huge time they are using for their social media. So why not we can think for this particular time for using for our purpose. And in our next couple of slides, we will show some idea how we can enter in them. And configuration part of the social media we will discuss tomorrow last session. That is how to configure the social media, mainly in the Facebook, because we can't able to give the other social media like Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. So this, because here that is a course is a very compact, so where it is the major penetration is there, we'll discuss that part only. Now we can go for the which country has the most active social media users in the world. On an average, 49% of the world are active social media users regardless the age. So world 49% users are using the social media, and the accessing of the internet is the 51%. So this is a huge. On an average, 63% of the world population aged 13 plus are active in the social media. You can observe that is that 13 plus age, that is numbers is high obviously. USA has 70% regardless the age, and 80% is the only those aged at the 13 plus. So if we go for the this lower age and upper age, so we can get the more higher. In UK that is the 66% and 13 plus is the 79%. In Canada, same statistics is the 67% and 13 plus is the 77%. Australia is 71% and 85%. Same thing we can go for the Indian statistics. It is a regardless of 29% and of the age that is they are using the social media, and those who 13 plus is that 38%. So here the percentage is India quite low. Facebook is the market leader for the social media. Since 2004, Facebook is growing to be the leader of the social media. Facebook has 2.70 billion active monthly users that keep it one of the widely used social media platforms. That means we can say 270 crores populations are linked with social media, that is Facebook. That is almost more than double of the India's population. Roughly two-thirds of the US adults, that is 70% now report to they are the Facebook users. So that is also a huge population. Social media marketing, is it a serious business? Now I can give some example and how we can define some market study. 73% of marketers believe that their effort through the social media marketing have been somewhat effective or very effective for their business. So that is a statistics has been taken some. I will give the source of that in the next slide. Marketing through social media is becoming an essential part of the marketing strategy, and the social marketing is the cost effective and it helps the brands to interact with their audience and to build brand loyalty in the long run. So that means here our major target is to turn the audience to our marketing purpose. That means our marketing source or where our product is there, that will go for long run audience controlling. Do the customer really use the social media? So answer is 54% of the social browser use social media to research the product. So that source I have given in the below, that is Global Web Index 2018. So now we can give one example that if you know something, if you don't have any idea something, what you will do, you will remove your mobile phone, use your social media, search it, that particular things is available, and you can get the output of it. It clearly shows that prospects are on social media and they are actively using it for searching the product. That is why it is essential to have the presence on social media to have a strong brand presence. That means when we try to make a branding of a rural product, maybe some food use and etc. So it should be present in the social media. Otherwise, whatever we will do, our effect or our effort will not be that much of effective. Positive customer experience on social media matters. It likely that they will share positive word about your brand. It can be noted that 71% of consumers who have had a positive experience with a brand on social media are likely to recommend the brand on their friend and family. Just I can give one example. So you want to purchase one device like a mobile phone. You see for the other people telling in the social media that particular brand, say MI, say other Samsung brand, what other people are telling. And another example I can give that is a parallel to that. If you want to purchase any product from any social e-commerce site, you first go what is the other people are telling about that particular product. What is the positive? If it is a positive is given, we'll go for the particular brand. If it is not that, some at least 1 or 2% telling the negative, I will think we cannot go for that particular product. So this is our common mind, and these are statistics. Whatever we have given in the note, the source is already given. Influencer marketing and the social media. The future of the marketing is influencer marketing. Brands are heavily investing to the social media marketing, and there is a reason behind. According to one report, that is 49% of consumers claim that they depend on the influencer recommendation on social media to inform their purchasing decision. So that means whenever the brand and that particular product details is present in the social media, it is effective, and it will be gives a good output for their brand naming and audience movement to the brand. Social media by mobile phones. Mobile phones are the everywhere and growing at a very fast rate. It has fueled the growth of social media up to great extent. I think I can say that if 100% you can find who are using the smartphone, they have had at least one social media login to that mobile phone. So that is a common practice. According to that, 98.9% of all social media users access social channel via mobile device. That means out of the 100, almost 99% are using the social media through mobile phone, and one is using that is through laptop or desktop. Now comes to the what is the social media marketing. Social media marketing refers to the process of gaining traffic or attracting through the social media sites. Because social media is everywhere, so that we have to attract the people, and this people or that audience to go to the our main website. If you make the website, if you make the blog, or if you make anything for marketing, for communicating our product to the audience, so audience will move to our website. So this is the one of the method. I can't say that's all because there is a defined type of campaign, and we will discuss next discussion. So how to move the audience to the particular product advertisement where it's given, maybe in a website, maybe a third party website, maybe a blog, maybe anywhere. Social media is very elaborative way. Social media marketing, or SMM we are telling in the abbreviation, is the form of internet marketing that involves creating and sharing content on social media network in order to achieve your marketing and branding goals. What is our marketing achievement for that world people? Mainly, the product should come to the end user and we can get output in the monetary matter or any other way. Or we can give the service, that service should go to the end user and we can get some subscription out of that service. What is the social media marketing? Again, it is a continuing. The social media marketing includes activities like posting text and images, updates, videos, and other contents that drives audience engagement as well as paid social media advertisement. Because one is the social media advertisement, which is we can give the free of cost, another is the paid one. In the last session, almost we will discuss the paid social media advertising part, but mostly our target for the rural people is the free of cost what we can give. So we will discuss mostly in the free of cost. But in parallel, there is a paid one is also available. So we will have a little discussion about that also. So it is very clear that social media marketing is not restricted to paid advertisement. It is much more than that. Paid advertisement is just a small, but it is a very significant part of the social media marketing. So in that ground, we cannot disagree that paid advertisement we can ignore. As well as free part also, we will discuss the paid advertisement, how you can go, how we can reach, how we can enter to the end user, so that it will be a great brand value. So that I have already discussed, that is for making the brand value of the rural product, social media or digital media or the digital marketing plays this very, very significant role. So how to start with the social media marketing? It is very important to work on a social media marketing plan before we jump to the social media marketing. So we have to make a very good planning for that, so that we can enter the social media. As usual, first of all, you have set a marketing goals, because normal marketing goals we have to think. So according to that, we have to set up the marketing goals, as it is discussed by, I think, yesterday Shubhendu also, that is how to do these things. Ask that question to yourself while setting up the social media marketing goals. And these questions are we will discuss in next couple of slides. Here why we are discussing in this part, because here whatever we will discuss, you have to do. If you have the more creativity, you can get the better idea, better output. So you need not to depend to anybody. And all the cases you must think you not may not be the very computer savvy, very technical savvy, very technical knowledge. You just have a small idea is enough. You need not to write a single line of the code, any part. Like my last session, we have discussed, that is designing of website, or designing a professional website. You need not to write a single line of a code. You need not to write a JavaScript or HTML very fast knowledge, or you need not to learn a single line of this type of script code and etc. You need not to learn anything about the computer. You not be a technical savvy. It is a simple thing, and simple common sense will use for that you can develop anything. Only you have to change your mindset, that we will go from the traditional media or traditional media of advertisement to the digital media or digital marketing advertisement product. And it is very, very easy and effective. And you can go this much of world population. Now we start for again how to start the social media marketing, and I can continue for that. Uh, that is a go. That is questions what you have to ask for that. So that I want to again start, and it will ask to you yourself, so that you can get answer from yourself. What are you hoping to achieve through the social media marketing? So you have to think while you are giving the advertisement. And what is, if you think for advertising a particular product, say you want to give advertisement for pineapple juice marketing. So that things, and what you want, because you have to sell it. So that is the particular thing goal. Or somebody, some service can be given. Say some you want to market some services in the rural area. Somebody may have the AC. AC has to be clean, or AC has to be repair, anything. So this type of service, you want to give the service, and you want to get some output from them. That is some subscription, some annual subscription, some monthly subscription, some weekly subscription, or some hourly subscription, or your service charges, like that. So this type of goal you have to think why you are going for that. Or you may think you want to make a MOOC course, that is through video you can give to the audience, so that you can earn some money from that. Because if you want, I think you can, everybody now are in the social media, so when you open the social media, at least 10, 15, 20 posts you can get some advertisement, and out of the 4-5 advertisement you can find there is a very good MOOC course on digital marketing, because digital marketing is very, very emerging. So this advertisement is coming to the social media. So that is the goal, that is the things while you are thinking for market or advertisement, so that your achievement, your goal should be shared there. Next, you are thinking who is your target audience. That you have to clear. If you take a product which is useful for your local community, you cannot give to that outside of that. If you give the market outside, so the people will not get. So there is a location specific also you can make. That I have already discussed in my first day, second session, and that is what is the traditional and digital marketing difference. There I have discussed. Now, your audience, say you have made a particular MOOC course which is helpful for a 12 plus student who want to learn for a digital marketing. And if you give this particular things as a niche marketing, like to the people whose age is more than 50, like that, they may not be interested like that, whatever the people who are in the age group of the something 12 or 15 students, or graduation students, or master degree students. Because for them there is a need, because they have to make a career. So this way you have to think who are the target audience, and you have to move to your target audience to your advertisement, so that your web page should be checked by them only. So that you have to make some call to action things, so that this call to action will be discussed later also, and I have already discussed in my previous sessions. Where would your target audience hang out, and how would they use the social media? So you have to think how to they check your audience, and how they will, and when they will use this social media, so that the advertisement come to them, and that is the helpful, so that you will gain. Last time, the what message do you want to send your audience with the social media marketing? So that is one of the important things. For me, I can give one example, because I have one MOOC course, what is the training program is running, that is a LMS website. I want to give the advertisement, so that, say one example, I have given the advertisement to our website. Some audience has been checked it. He observed that, or she observed that whenever that person has clicked on that advertisement, it will go to a site where my particular registration form is open and he has to fill up. And my part is, so this message we want to give through that social media. It may be website, it may be social media things like Facebook. So he will fill up or she will fill up that call to action or registration form. So this is actually call to action and that is my output. So I can think that particular person can attend to our particular training program. Now, as per this response, we can think in future if I make this particular topics for a paid program, how much audience can move to that particular training program. So that estimation also we can do by using the social media as well as that advertisement and through that call to action. So this is the message we want to give to the audience so that I can gain something. Why the social media marketing? Why we can do for social media? We can do it only in the website. We can give the advertisement in the website and anybody can see it. The question is that how did people know your website? Because you may now 1,000 crores are websites are there. How people know your website, where your advertisement is there, and how they will move to your website. Why do they will search? So that you have to think. So that is why social media marketing, where it will help. Bring the traffic to your website. Through the social media, the traffic will come to your website. Because now thousands scores or websites are there. Every day there is a huge number of websites are generating. So how of the people will move or traffic will move to your website? So that is the social media. So that social media help you to move the traffic to your website. Increasing conversion. So whenever you get some discussion and it will be help people to understanding what is your product, what is your things, and people make things to move your website. Enhance the brand awareness because social media is huge platform. I think if you think for the Facebook, I have already told it's a almost double population of total India's population. So this population, whenever you can see, so it will be give you the and awareness. Build the brand identity and association. So your brand will be identified by them. So it is everybody will look it and it will be associated with them, and so it will be continue with you. That means it is a continuous process to move the target people with that. Improve communication and audience interaction. So whenever the people are making the post and etc. in the social media, so this communication will move to that particular group, this particular part, so that communication and audience interaction and is improved and it will come to the traffic to the people where you want to link, because your ultimate goal is to audience come to your website, see your product, and then you can get the business over that. Now choose a social media platform. Which social media platform will choose and where? What is that details I want to discuss now. As we discussed earlier, the social media is a growing like anything, and there are multiple platforms are available to the market. Your products and services are showing the brand presence. It is very important to understand the unique feature of various social media platforms to develop a social media strategy for each platform. Let us see the social media platforms are available for the social media marketing. Now question is that we are thinking for the Facebook, but is the Facebook is ultimate? which social media platform we can use for our branding the product. So one example we can give for the LinkedIn. If you go for the career, job, and etc., you will go to the media that is a LinkedIn. That is the most effective. If you think for this purpose for the Facebook, it is not that much of effective. And Twitter, where the some broadcasting type. Somebody gives some information which is broadcast to all the audience, so that the Twitter is the best. If CM or PM gives some idea, some message, something to the country, world, so it is comes through the Twitter. So you have to think which purpose you are using. So according to that platform, you have to think. In the ground, first we have to discuss the Facebook. It is known that the Facebook is the market leader of the social media. In social media marketing and has a very vast user base. According to Facebook Newsroom, there are 2.74 billion monthly active users on Facebook as on January 2021. So this year, January, it is telling that 2.71 billion monthly active users in social media, that is Facebook. That is 274 crores population. It is more than double of India's total population. And it is just 5 months back, because I think it is today is the June. So it just you can think the 5 months gap statistics, because I have used a number of statistics here. So some statistics earlier, and a number of sites are there where we can think the most effective output. We are taking that. Maybe other sites are giving some small deviation of their statistics, but more or less all the sites are giving the similar statistics. The second point is there is a different way to promote your brand and product to the Facebook, like Facebook Business Plan, page, ads, groups, events, and marketing listings. So we are going to tell about all these methods in a subsequent discussion module in details, because Facebook I will discuss in this particular discussion, particular program, but other may not discuss because the time constraint. We have to make a compact program for that. Actually, if we go for digital marketing, it is such a vast, we have to make one, I think 1 month course that will may not be enough for doing that. But it is a basic idea of what I want to give the audience, that audience should know what is what. And if they want to learn more about that, I have attached a number of study materials with that, YouTube videos, books, write-ups, and etc. is here. So you can download and you can read it. All are available in my this LMS, which is new kit this particular course. So that is the advantage of learning management system through a virtual classroom. So we can give it relevant to that. Nobody needs to give any extra effort for achieving that, and that can be tracked also in the backend. So that is a very good achievement for us also. Now we can go for the next level, what we know, or that is for the social media. That is the Google Plus. Most of the people knows that is the Google is for the search engine. That is now anywhere there is something is there. Do you know anything? No. Go to the Google. Google will be given the answer. So Google is the answer. But that is the for search engine. Third, the Google has also the social media platform. In the first, so whenever we are the college student, so there the Google social media, that is name was the Orkut, that are widely used at that time. But somehow at the change of the time, the Orkut has been omitted by the Googles, and the Google has put the new that is social media platform, which is named is Google Plus. Is always considered as a competitor of Facebook, but it has a very niche audience, because Google Plus is not known by all rather than Google search engine. So, but it has a very good social media platform and it has a very good penetration. Although everyone is not in the Google Plus because may not know it also. But some of the communities are very active on this platform. Google Plus can be the used to upload and share photos, videos, links, and view all of your plus ones like that. So whatever you want to give, that is video, photos, upload, share, text, and etc. It will come. You can create Google Plus circles which allow you to segment your followers into the smaller groups. So you can make a small group also. Enable your share information with some followers while bearing others. So that means small groups for a typical audience group and for a particular information, image, brand, etc. for that, that is product for that. So niche marketing you can use very easily here. Maybe some product is exclusively used for the female. So you need not to give it to advertise for male audience. That you have to think. So you can segregate it. And this niche marketing, this niche platform can possible in this type of social media. So plan accordingly. Recently Google Plus has announced the retirement. Read more about its link, give the descriptions, etc. So these things, whatever they are usually doing, Google always do something for improvement of this. So if you are interested, you can see it and you can think that is helpful for you or not. Now come to the one of the most another important social media platform, that is Pinterest. Pinterest is one of the known social media platform. According to WordStream, Pinterest is one of the first growing social media marketing trends because it is known to everybody, like Facebook also. This platform is image centered and more suitable for the retail. So whatever retail product you want to market, like some particular rural people can be developed some small jewelries, local jewelries. That is a very useful through the Pinterest. But it is open to all. Anyone can be used the Pinterest for social media marketing and or entering into the sales drive ads that can be used for the Pinterest. Using the Pinterest, you can showcase their products offering while also developing the brand personality with the eye-catching unique pinboard like that. The user-based data by Pinterest shows that the primary audience of Pinterest is female. So that one things I want to highlight you. Pinterest is made for the female use product are mainly coming like female use cosmetics, jewelries, and etc. So if you want to make this type of product, then Pinterest is the best. It is your primary is audience is the female, then things to have to presence on the Pinterest. So where there is a female participants and female audiences there, you want to think any advertisement, any brand which is mainly used for the female, so there you can use the Pinterest. Now come for the Twitter. And Twitter is also one of the most popular social media platform like Facebook and Pinterest. Initially, Twitter was started with the aim to broadcast your message immediately across the net. That means across the audience, it is a broadcast. So PM want to give some message, that definitely come to the Twitter and they're tweeting. But now Twitter is being widely used for the marketing purpose and is an important segment of digital marketing portfolio. Because for using the huge audience base of the Twitter, now Twitter starting in that marketing purpose to use their platform, and it is very helpful for that. Using Twitter as a social media marketing tools revolves around the dialogues and communication, so it be sure to interact as much as possible to nurture and build your followings. That means your followers should see your branding and your product. It will reach your website through that also. Twitter has it is an advertising platform, and we have one module on Twitter marketing, so we will discuss there in detail how to make the Twitter marketing. But in this discussion on this particular program, we will not discuss the Twitter because that is here some constraint we cannot reach to it. Now comes the LinkedIn. LinkedIn, another most important social media platform. Where LinkedIn is a professional social networking site, and I think in our student age, we know that if we want to get a job, we have to make a profile in the LinkedIn, so that through that I can get a job site. So it is not only a job, it is many more. It is a big thing other than job also. But it is mainly for the professional social media network. This platform is primarily used to enter into the dialogue with the people in the simple industries and provides a place to share content with like-minded individuals. That means who are in the industry, they have some product they can put in the social media. So now if you think to give any manufacturing part, so through the MSME product like fruit juice, like female jewelries, and some handicraft product, some bamboo based product. If you want to make a market through the branding part, so you can definitely go for the LinkedIn, and LinkedIn has a very good output. Not for other things we want to market may not be helpful through the LinkedIn because it's a professional. The power of LinkedIn can be used in favor of your brand by asking the customer or clients to give your business to recommendation on your LinkedIn profile. So if your product you can want to take any recommendation from the audience, from the group people, from the followers, and etc. So LinkedIn is one of the great platform so that professional as well as the persons or whatever the manufacturing product to go to the end user. So there is a way, there is a use of social media or this LinkedIn you can use for branding your product. You can move the audience to that. And we have one full module on LinkedIn marketing, so we will discuss it there in the details. But LinkedIn, this particular module also we will not discuss in this program because there is a separate, because this is now the scope will not permit here, so that we can discuss in different module. I think lastly we can have to discuss that is YouTube. Why? Because I have to search a person who does not know the name of the YouTube. So YouTube presence is such a great like that. And if you have any rural population also, you hardly find some persons who are age something 50 or 60 and above, they may not know the YouTube. But in the baby boomer or young people or whatever the ages and etc., you can get the persons who does not know the YouTube, that is a rare of the rare case. So YouTube is a leader in the creating and sharing the video content and can be used for social media marketing in a very effective way. Just I can give example. If I want to share my video of this OC course, what is now it is running for this digital media, digital marketing. So I can definitely use the YouTube where I put the video and I can give the link to my LMS. So it will be a very good link without any cost. Maybe this particular video size is something 6 GB, 10 GB like that. This is a huge size video I am sharing with a great audience with a free of cost. So this is the social media, how much effective you can understand. In between you can get some advertisement, and this is very effective. And in this LMS also so many YouTube videos I have given the link. And I think last discussion also I have given I think almost 10 YouTube videos for how to make the WordPress for using for your web page. So this is the penetration of YouTube, and this is the way to make. If you will put anything to the YouTube, it will be visible to that marketing purpose for that particular branding of your product. Now brands can create their videos and push these videos to get it viral. So that is the one thing. So you can put a video, or if your product you are making such a way, say 15 to 20 second or 30-second video you have created in the YouTube, and WordPress you have made your website in a blog. In the blog yesterday how to link the YouTube video to that particular website. So this blog will be visible to your website through Facebook and other social media platform, you can make it viral. If once you make it viral, that will be give you good output for your brand, and your brand will be a viral. And that is a big thing. I think last year we have made a YouTube video for how to make marks by using the common method. So our one known local lady has prepared marks how to prepare it, and we made this video and I add it to the YouTube, and it was views is numbers. So this way we can promote this pandemic situation to do something that people can use for their effective output and for development. And this particular example you can take to make your particular product, particular brand viral to the platform of the social media. So you can use the both paid as well as free content on the YouTube to promote your product and service. So this has the paid version and free version, and you can go it through the Google Ads. So we will discuss the Google Ads, but a very little bit, because I cannot go to enter the Google Ads in details. Small idea can be given, because it will take also a full 2-3 day session for making the Google Ads. It's a vast thing. So I think it's almost the last session for this particular part. So I will ask 2-3. I will wait for questions from the audience side, so that we can go for the next discussion as well. So any question like that? Hmm, 47. I think some piping is that somebody is audio is lost, because I stop discussion now. But I have the second device where the audio is getting. So audio is. So I am asking. So if you have any question for social media, how you can use, so that it will be helpful. You can ask the question in the chat box also.
Now audio is okay, sir.
I am finding audio because I have the two devices. So
Yes.
I am testing the audio from the other device. So it is come to the net and come to back to me. So if it is okay, so I found that my audio is going to the audience. So any question you have, so
Sir,
that I can
have
understand.
one question, sir.
Huh?
Sir, I have one question.
Ask.
How we make a Facebook ad?
So
How?
Facebook ad
Yes.
campaign,
Yes, sir.
that will discuss tomorrow.
Acha, okay, sir.
So this is a basic introduction of the social media marketing, how you
Yeah.
can go through that.
This is okay, sir.
So this is that part. So I will give the full discussion with the Facebook only.
Okay. Okay, thank you, sir.
So any more question? So I think my discussion may be some interactive. Otherwise, I am not able to understand that is whatever your participation and perception about it. Any question? So I can go for the next session for that. I am coming to the next session. I think mostly people this part will not ask so much more question. Now this part we will discuss that designing and monitoring of search campaign. So this is the very important part for our discussion. Why? Because you have make one website where your brand or your product has given the advertisement. That means it is come to that is that product which will be available for branding. Now question is that how it will be visible to the others. That means audience will see your product marketing part and etc. So this is the things we will discuss now. That is how you can enter for a particular site, particular idea of a particular product or particular thing. If I ask this question, so anybody will give the answer. That is, will pick up my smartphone, take one browser, and open the Google, and we will write the particular question. Google will give the answer. So question is numbers of question, answer is one, that is the Google. That means you will go for the search engine will search your particular question and it will give the answer. Similarly, if you go to the searching to that social media also, you can get the answer from the social media. So this is called the search campaign. What is the search campaign? Because through that search, we can do some advertisement or marketing purpose. So that is the search campaign. So now in the couple of slide or discussion, we will go for the search campaign discussion. So what is the learning objectives? First is the what is the structure of Google Ads account? Because last discussion of social media marketing, we have lastly for the YouTube, there is a part of the Google Ads. So I will give a small idea of the Google Ads. But Google Ads is a very vast. So whatever that free part, what is useful for our purpose, we'll discuss that one only. How to make setting at the campaign level. So advertisement making through that search engine, so that's called the campaign. So that campaign level discussion we'll do after that. So how to create ad group? Next part is the group is the self-explanatory. And how to design a search campaign. That means advertisement through the search engine, because whenever we are using the search engine, so we can use for the advertisement, and how we'll do that, that will be discussed the last. Ultimately, that is our ultimate goal. Now I can give one example. So search engine result page, because whenever we give the some queries, say here I am giving one example to the Google, for the Google search engine queries, that is MBA admission. Yes, I am giving it as a arbitrarily. So whenever you write or whenever give the queries, the MBA administration, so search engine result page, some list of websites will come in. Here we can find that is something we can AD like that. This is the paid advertisement, and this is come to the inorganic result part. So this part is called the inorganic result. So this is the paid advertisement through the Google, and this is the Google search. So tomorrow we'll discuss for more details of it also. So this, whenever we are getting for the search campaign, we are defining in, or we are depending on this inorganic result. But there is another part is result, that is the organic result. So that discussion will be made by tomorrow. So Google Ads. So it is the site is the Google Ads.google.com. Here is the search, display, shopping, and videos, because you can go for the YouTube videos for the advertisement purpose. So here it is the AD means this is the search engine result where you are going the paid advertisement. So here it tools may not be the free, it is the paid part. So here this part is the paid part we will discuss now. Google Ads has the three layers: Google Ads account, Google campaign, and Google Ad group. So Google Ads is the first thing is the grow your business with Google Ads. So this is that I think you can give the site that is ads.google.com. Like that, there is a site. I have already told it in the slide. So here it is. You can show the grow your business with the Google Ads. It is known. Go for get started. So whenever you can give the get started, you have to give the first one. You have to give some capture type things. Third, you have to select some images so that you are not a ghost user, or you are not a hacker, or not any other program accessing the site. It is a human accessing. So this way you have to identify this. So whenever you verify, you can enter the inside it. So first we have an account. Each Google Ads account is associated with a single email ID, password, and billing information. So whenever you have the Google email ID, so you can use this email ID and password for this Google Ads account, and same you can use for the billing information part, because that particular email will use for your billing part. So this billing information will come to it, and I think we have to find a person nowadays who has not any Google account or Google email ID. I think almost all people who are using the smartphone, they should have one Google account. Otherwise, the smartphone user cannot use their smartphone, because Android, whenever you have to open it, you have to link with a Google account. That means Google email account that will allow you to enter to the smartphone. And most of the smartphone is the Android based. So Android is owned by the Google. So whenever you think for the Google product, you have to make one Google email ID with the link with password and others for security purpose. You can put your mobile phone number also for the security purpose as well as external email ID. So the Google ID is required for making any account, anything do in your Google or Google products. It may be Google Forms, it may be Google Ads, it may be whatever it. As we have already created our account, so we know about this layer because we have already made an account because you are user the smartphone, so you must have a Google account. So your country, time zone, currency settings are made in this layer, and once settings are made, you can't change them because if you make your currency dollar, so you cannot convert it in the rupee. So in this stage, you should be very careful at this stage. Depending upon on your needs, you may have different Google Ads account, but it is always advised to have a one Google Ads account to have more control and more and monitoring power. So that you have to clear or you have to be more careful about this particular stage. So this is that login, and after that you can go for that next level. So it will go one by one to that Google Ads account inside. Second layer is the campaign. That means how to make your advertisement through that, because here it is the paid advertisement where it will come in the search engine AD. That is the inorganic result. So these things you have to understand, and I want to convey this message first. Under your Google Ads account, you can create multiple campaigns like search campaign, display campaign, video campaign, app install campaign, because it is a self-explanatory search campaign, whatever today I want to discuss, that is coming to that search engine part where AD like that. Display campaign also it will come to the right side of that side, and video campaign, you know, it is come to the YouTube video and that. And apps install campaign, because you know that if you are using continuously the Android phone, there Google Play Store is there. So whenever you Play Store is open, there some ads are coming continuously. So that that is called the app campaign or app install campaign. At the time of installing also these ads are coming. So depending upon on your objective or goals of your business, you will have to select this type of campaign and this type of goal. The most important point to remember here is each campaign has its own budget related setting because it is a paid one. That means you can allocate the defined amount of budget to the defined campaign, because if you make a defined type of campaign, defined number of campaign, and for such campaign also you can make a number of products for such campaign. So you have to make a defined budget for that. There is a limit on how many campaigns you can design per account. According to Google Ads, you can create 10,000 campaigns per account, that including both active and pause campaign, because that is the maximum limit. 10,000 product a campaign or product ad you can give a single account. More than that it is not possible, so that it can include both active and pause campaign, because sometimes you may think that is one product has already been expired, or that a particular time that product may not be helpful, may not be usable also. So this particular cases you can make a pause. So this pause campaign also comes including this 10,000 numbers. So product numbers is maximum 10,000, but that is also a big number. The third and most important layer is the ad group. Again, under one campaign there can be multiple ad groups, because one campaign also multiple ad group, because one group of products, a fruit juice product, fruit juice, maybe pineapple juice, orange juice, mango juice, etc. etc. we can make. So ad group representing the different product, service or anything else which you think can be put in a different group. Each of the group contain various but similar ads with the variations. The most important point to remember is ad group is you can set a list of keywords for each ad group separately for Google Ads auction process. This particular line and point you have to understand, because whenever you are giving advertisement for a particular product or particular group of product or a group under a defined group of product, you have to think for description of the product with some keyword. Which is the keyword? This keyword is used by the person who are the searching that particular product. And this number of keyword you have to be more and more careful so that this keyword should be placed in your website or in your web link where your product advertisement is there, so that Google crawler should link it that. This details of the clause we will discuss in the latter. It simply means if you are creating 3 ad groups, then each group you have to set a keyword separately. So you have to define group, define keyword, you have to make, and you have to think this keyword and what the people are searching mostly. There is a lot of statistics, lot of tools that will be discussed tomorrow in details for this keyword part. Because whenever we are making a particular website, you can make a very good write-up, very good English, very attractive English. That means it will not come to the search engine result in the first form, because this English may be good, this text may be very good, English is listening is a very good quality, all things are good, but it is not guaranteed that your ad group or your advertisement or your website will come to the search engine result page in the first level. No. You have to think the particular keyword which normal people are generally used for searching, and you have to place this keyword inside your text, because computer is not an intelligent, computer is searching whatever you are giving that. So that from that particular keyword it is placed to their algorithm, and they will pick up your website is the ranking high, so that all the audience will see your website. If very good website you have made, very good advertisement you have made, very attractive looking advertisement made, but if it is not visible, not observed your target audience, so it will become a useless. There is again a limit. You can create up to 20,000 ad group per campaign. So 10,000 and 20,000 are the maximum limit, but I think you may ignore it. It is huge number, because for well over 10,000, making a 10,000 product is almost impossible. Now come for the structure of the Google ad. First is the account. So I'll make one type of flowchart type like that. So you have make one unique email and password, billing information. Then campaign budget setting. Then ad groups, ad keywords. Similarly, another campaign, another ad group, and all the ad groups have the defined keyword. So this keyword I have made a full discussion. Tomorrow you have to understanding the keyword. You have been used a huge amount for making the very good images, very good videos, very good tests by very good professionals. You place it in your website, it does not mean it will go to your target audience. Or if it is not go to your target audience, your or advertisement, your discussion, your website is become ineffective and useless. So you have to think for the keyword only, so that it will come to the maximum target audience group. So ad group I can continue here. It is not mandatory to create multiple ad group in each campaign. If you think only one ad group is okay and you want to keep one ad in that group, it is absolutely fine. You can do that. Whatever you think it is the ideal case, you have to make it. According to that, everything you have to design. After going through entire process of campaign design, you will be able to take the decision on how many ad groups and how many ad under each groups are required. Let us try to understand this entire Google Ads organization with the help of the example, because I have already given this last slide, that is the flow chart, and now we want to go inside for making that ad group in details. Example of Google Ad Organization. So that I want to now discuss how to create this particular thing. Suppose in my institute we are offering the four different stream of MBA programs. So we have an organization because we have the postgraduate diploma. So we are thinking that we have make one MBA program. So MBA program may be finance, MBA program may be marketing, maybe international business, maybe human resource, etc. Maybe world development also. So MBA programs in this four stream. We want to use the Google Ads to promote our courses. In these cases, we will organize a Google Ads account in this way. We will discuss in next couple of slides. First will be our Google Ads account with unique mail ID, password, country and billing information. So this will continue again. In the second layer, we will run the four campaigns, one for each stream: MBA Finance, MBA Marketing, MBA International Business, MBA Human Resource Management. At this level, we will set up our budget and billing strategy. Because all for finance is the defined department, marketing is the defined department, international business is the defined department, and human resource management also defined department, where everybody has a separate budget and billing strategy for each campaign. We have created the defined campaign for each stream because we have defined amount of budget allocated for the each stream depending upon their relevance. Because all the defined department has a defined budget, so we have make a separate group for that. Now in the third layer, we will create a defined ad group for each campaign contains a similar ad. Here we will set up a list of keywords for each ad group. How to set that list, I will demonstrate in a file in the later slide. So this keyword setting for a particular, say MBA Finance, MBA Marketing, MBA International Business, MBA Human Resource Management. Here this particular four branch will make a separate budget, make a separate group of advertisement and the separate keyword for that. So this is the structure. So account with unique structure, MBA Marketing, MBA Finance, MBA International Business, MBA Human Resource Management. So each of the ad groups are there. All the depends upon the ad groups 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever it, and each of them has a separate keyword. So this way we will design it. There is no hard and fast rule to categorize your campaign to this type of ad group. Same account can be organized in a different way as well. For example, you just create one campaign for all the streams and then create a 4 different groups for each stream having the similar ads and the defined keywords for each ad group. So now we can give an example. Instead of 4 department with 4 budget, you can make one parent department. Under the parent department, the sub department like finance, like international business, like human resource management, these are there. So we have the one single head of budget. So whatever the billing will come, it will come to a single budget. So interactive, or what I can say that instead of all for a defined budget, we can put a single budget and a single billing. So whatever that circulation or whatever the ad cost will come, so that will bill will come a single bill type. So that thinking will come, it all depends upon you how you want to organize the account. So this is the main purpose. So that you have to understand what is you have a 4 department or you have a single department with a 4 sub department where the single budget head will run. So you have to think accordingly and you have to design it accordingly. But it is very important to know what type of settings are available for each layer. So whenever you think according to that, you have to design it and you have to select this layer separately. Now this example we can put like in the pictorial manner. So unique account through that a campaign, one single campaign, because we have a single billing for the all sub department, because one department is that for management department, it will come under that management, MBA marketing, MBA finance, MBA international business, MBA human resource management. So this way our ad will be designed, and this is that another way where that 4 separate department with 4 separate budget with 4 separate billing account. Instead of that, here a single department with a single budget, single billing account with 4 sub department, that is MBA marketing, MBA finance, MBA international business, MBA human resource management. It consists of this. So suppose you are struggling with a question and want to an immediate answer, or you want to buy a new product and want to know more about the features of a product, or you want to travel somewhere and want to know more about your destination. So that's basically the questions we are asking to the search engine, so for getting the answer. Just tell me where will you find this information? If they ask this, anything, any type of question, whatever comes to in your mind, where you will go? The answer is very simple. I don't think you will go anywhere except searching it on Google. I think I am absolutely right. Because whenever you have to think anything for getting an answer, maybe it's the destination, maybe it's ticket, maybe it's the product idea, maybe a drinking idea, even if you go for a meaning of a particular word also, you can ask the Google. So answer is the simple, whatever you don't know anything, you will ask Google, Google will give the answer. So I can give another statistics here. I am claiming this is on the basis of the data reported by the Internet Live Stats. The every day 3.5 billion searches are made on Google. More precisely, 63,000 searches per second happen on a given day on the Google. It is massive. International Live Stat is telling. So every second where the 63,000 searches are coming. So why not we can use this great audience to use for a marketing purpose, and that is the main thing whatever I have discussed, and will continue in next couple of slides. So 63,000 searches per second and is coming to the Google. Now come to the search engine marketing part. That is actually campaign search. It is called the search campaign. Now from the business point of view, don't you think while the people are searching on the Google, it is a good idea to show the advertisement that are closely matches to your search queries? So that I have already told. Now here is the question I is asking, because we have to think in such a way that whatever the persons are thinking, that will come to your search, and so that our product can be used for marketing purpose. to that Google search engine. Of course, showing the relevant ads to the people while searching on the Google will increase the chances that they will click on your ads and may land to your website. And that is your main goal of the digital marketing. Such a way, your website, maybe your website, where you put your product advertisement, or maybe third-party website where you put your advertisement, or social media website where you place your advertisement. And put such a way, whenever the search engine searches are coming, it will land to your website, maybe any type of website. Now question is that only the Google what we are thinking, because Google search engine is the most popular search engine. There is other search engine like Bing by the Microsoft, that is also popular, but with respect to Google nothing. Now another popular one is coming where that the use those who are using the deep web. So that cases is the popular search engine is the DuckDuckGo. So that is also, it does not mean only that deep web they are using this search engine. Others also you can use for that, any purpose also you can use. But these are the, with respect to Google, their popularity and number of searches are very less. In the digital marketing terminology, this is nothing but it is called search engine marketing. So this is the search engine marketing, and the Google in the Google Ads, it is called the search campaign. So search campaign means search engine marketing. So that is our main discussion topic now, which is going on. Let us see how to design a search engine campaign in the Google Ads. Previously we have discussed how to move to that, what is that search engine, why it is writing in the ADAD whenever you are giving the search, because there is a search campaign part with a paid search. Now for the detailed designing of it, we want to discuss. Now what is search campaign? That means search campaign we have to discuss. So what is the thing? When the text ads are designed for the purpose of showing on the Google search engine or Google search network with a proper bidding strategy, a list of keywords and a budget are called the search campaign. So here budget is allocated. Budget means how many clicks are there. That means budget is actually pay per click. And website, you need not to make a very good English write-up, because we are thinking all the websites is written in the English, maybe any other language. You can use any local language also. But here keyword is a must. You have to think that particular keyword which the common people are searching, not a bombastic English. If you put your very good language in any language like Assamese, like Bengalis, like English, and have a very bombastic word and very good language, it is by listening also, it is a very good, but it does not mean search engine result page will show it rank high, and nobody can able to observe it. No audience will come to your web page. No audience will move to that. It will be kept in a side, and your all effort will become zero. So don't think to make a very good writing. You think the keyword. Which keyword is searching by the common people? Because whatever the search thinking come to in your mind, whenever you remove your mobile phone or computer, you type on search by a general people, and for general people thinking that keyword, you have to put it there in their English. And that knowledge, that information can be get through the some tools that will be discussed tomorrow. Now again I can come, our target is now inorganic search result in the search page, because whatever the things you are telling the inorganic search, that means what is the paid advertisement, that is the search campaign, because search engine, that is the for advertisement purpose. Here you can say in the advertisement is ADAD is written, so this one, not last one. So our goal is for this ADAD written advertisement for that your website will move. That means your audience will turn to your website, and this is written in the ADAD. So 1,000 crores website, your website will come to the first rank or first page, like that. Don't click the start button because you have to go for the Google Ads, google.com. This is that search. So you don't click on the start button first. You have to go for the sign in, because you have to go through that Google search engine marketing purpose, because you have to make a search campaign first. So you have to use the sign in, means you have to use the Google email account and password. Here I have used my own Google account, that is mat550.nidpr@gmail.com. Through that you receive the email from the LMS. Third, I have configured it in the LMS SMTP server, through that automatically auto-generated mails are coming to you. So login in the Google Ads. So you have to go for that. I have already shown it. You have to verify the captcha. Now this screen will come. Make sure that tools and setting options are available in the Google Ads interface. In your case as well, as because we have to use the option many times in future. So that things you have to set in tools and setting options. You can see here that all the tools and options are available in my Google Ads account. So these are the tools and sharing options. This here. We generally try to give the screenshot so that it can give the better visibility. So Google Ads account should include the keyword planner also. So finally, the keyword planner tools is the most important, because how to know the keyword which a general people are searching. So you have to first select it, add them, and by using this keyword you have to write the English, if it is English site, so English sentence, phrases, etc. etc. To create any type of campaign, Google Ads, just click on the campaign, because you are going to design the campaign. As we don't have any campaign, so no data is available at this point of time in the campaign dashboard. I will talk about the available option here in the future slides. Click on the plus sign, this one, so that new campaign will come. You have two options here: new campaign, load the campaign setting from the existing campaign. So you will go for the new campaign here. So whenever you click the new campaign, and you have to interact, you campaign the goal. So that is the goal. There are the multiple goals are selected, like sales, leads, website traffic, product and brand consideration, and apps promotion. As this is the first time we are designing any campaign and in the Google Ads. So this you have to think. So we are not very much clear about our goal. So we will not select any goal here, and we will design for search campaign without any goals. But in reality, you have to select a specific goal first. Only then should we proceed further. So that will be better for you, better for understanding also. But first, let we start. Most of the important point is the rest of the setting in the Google Ads will depends on which type of goals you have selected. So we will come back here and we will design a few more campaigns, and by selecting defined goals. To see the defined type of settings are available in each goal. So that goals is the most important. We have to select how to make the goal settings also. Next option is to select the specific type of campaign that you want to design a Google Ads. As I said, there are the number of different type of campaigns available in the Google Ads. But initially, we will learn how to design a search campaign. So here it is our goal is search campaign. The rest of the campaigns will be discussed in the respective modules, because here is not that much of scope. Just selected a search campaign. The purpose of this type of campaign is to show the text, because our advertisement will link with the text part only, because not to the display part, because display is the images and etc. So the text in the Google search result, and on the Google search partners side, depending upon the keyword used by the people while searching for the information or keyword present in the various websites. So Google has a partner also like YouTube and etc. or like Google Maps and so on. So whenever you search, it will include all. To include the point here is that you can only design the text ad under this campaign, not the banner ads or the video ads, because here we have discussed the search campaigns. So banner and video ads we'll discuss later. Now type of campaigns, these are the next level. After setting the goals, it will come to the screen. So you have to give the type of the campaign. We have already told this is app, smart, search, display, and video. So display also, maybe I have the scope, then I can discuss the display campaign, but I think not much of scope. So here we will select the search campaign only. So this is the search part. So we will select it. So it will select this way. Next, we have to decide what type of result we want to get from the campaign. Once the people see your ad, for example, do you want to website visit, do you want to phone call, or apps download? Here you have to select this part also, because generally we are making the product advertisement in a website. So they will go to the website. So you have to launch to after this search campaign to your website. So you have to give the link of the website. Or not a phone call. So I think better to make a website, because phone call is not that much of effective in this time. So apps also you are not want to make, so apps part will not go. Now you can select all or at least one, depending upon the nature of your business. Select website and enter the address of your website. So you have to give the URL of the website here. If you give the phone calls, you can give the phone calls also, because for future result also you can use this. So here you are using the website visit. So website visit is that right. If you give the phone call things, you can phone coming, app download with the country code. If not, ignore it. Then continue. I have already told you continue. You have to click it. So we have successfully entered the required information to bring with our search campaign. And the important decision that we have to take at this stage is what type of result we want from our ad. Website visit or phone calls or both. So that things you have to think earlier. If you make only the website visit, click it, phone calls part is not select the above. We have already ignored the apps download, because it is our things is not related now to the apps part. So you have to think and you have to decide. According to that, you have to give that click. So according to that, you have to give where and you have to select, and which part you have to select. So mainly our purpose is to website visit. So whenever we are thinking for the website visit, so we will click it. So this is the way you have to configure the Google search campaign. So now I can give one small summary for this discussion. You have designed a particular website with a particular keyword, because your keyword should be such a way it is not a very good English, very good language, very good other things. Only you have to think what type of keyword is searching by the people maybe illiterate people, maybe literate people, maybe semi-literate people, may not be the language font people. We have to take these keywords and put it inside your text of your search campaign or in your website, so that search campaign and will link your website. Whenever a people or a person, a general person, give a search to a search engine like Google search, so it will be linked to that. Whenever you make it in a Google search campaign, so other part also, other search engine also uh, effective it as a organic search. I will discuss the organic search tomorrow in details. Here the part whenever you give the search, it is coming AD means ad, that is the paid part, and that is come in that website first page. So that process I have discussed one by one with the all screenshots, so that whenever the people will search it, your website or your product information come first, so that audience will go to website. You can go to the marketing part, say 1,000 visitors will visit one particular website. Out of the 10 visitors may be interested to your product, they go inside and one or two visitors can purchase your product or can interest your product or subscription, whatever the thing, as per your goal it will be selected. Or if you think that you allow the phone call, then you can click it, that phone call option, so that phone call can be activated, so that the person can be called through the phone also. That means you can do it through phone as well as website visit, or only website visit, or call to action. You can make some information from the audience. So this is the target. So you have to understand that why you are doing this. Ultimately goal, you have to sell some product or you can give some subscription so that you can earn something. So that is our ultimate goal. So I think this is the end for today's this part of discussion, that is the search campaign discussion. So now we can make it open to that audience, so that they can ask the question that you want to sell, then how the customer can be motivated to buy our product, whatever it products right now I can say. Because if you make a product, there is a like 100, I can say 1,000 crores of computers. So out of that computers, your product, crores of computers, your product will come to the crores of consumers or audience, so that they can ready to purchase it. So these things you have to think. So don't worry, that is the course of product, same product may be produced by course. They may be different location, they may be different country, they may be different parts. So your target audience also the more, because you are thinking for the real product. So you are not a Hindustan Unilever because they are making some unique product, but your things is not like that. So your target is that such a way your target audience will come to your website and see your website, log in your website, call to action website, and give some business. That is your target. So this is the search campaign and is one of the example to motivate the target audience to your website. It is a paid manner. Tomorrow I will discuss the free one, how to do this. Same thing you can do the free of cost of that. But that is important for both free and paid one also. So search campaign is basically for to use the Google search engine for the marketing purpose in the paid manner. And tomorrow I will discuss that is search engine optimization. So there we will discuss the organic search. To make that organically means without any payment, a little bit payment, your website will make high. Just an example you can give. I have that is Proshikhan e-learning portal. You give a search in the Google Proshikhan e-learning. So where my website is coming. If it is coming in the first page, that means my search campaign or my search engine optimization part has been made correctly. So I have success in that round. If it is not, then I have to do something. So this is the way of designing. So core of product will come, but your own product depends upon in your location. So persons you are staying in the Meghalaya and there is a pineapple. So somebody is searching the pineapple juice. So you are producing the pineapple juice. You have a website. The person search it. Then your pineapple juice production is coming here. In that website you can go. It will give it nearer place in the Google Maps. It is that your shop or display center is there. From there you can access it. So this way. How can we differentiate similar product in the online platform? We will make a separate website for them, or if you make a separate location in the Google Map so that your defined location, defined product, defined brand name will be distinguished. If the similar ad by the defined organization and the keywords is also same, then which is the come first? That is the depending upon which one come first. I will discuss tomorrow. This is called the search engine optimization. How to optimize? There is a number of way to optimize the search, and according to that search engine result page, whose site will come upper than me. Say Proshikhan e-learning. Sometimes we find that is a Tata Proshikhan is coming first, second me, third me, fourth me, like that. Sometimes my one is coming in the first, second, third, like that, depending upon on the search engine optimization. That we'll discuss tomorrow, how to do a number of ways to do that. Ad is directly proportional to the fee pays to the Google, or same for the similar product. This is not correct. Paid side means there is a paid, and you will pay as per the pay per click. How many clicks are there? According to that, you will pay. And depends upon is your search engine optimization. If it is that search campaign or paid search, if it is unpaid search, both of them same search engine optimization is applicable. Maybe you are giving the ads for a same product. Your ad may not come to first, second, third page also, but your one is the paid one search campaign. So you have to understand this. So how to design, how to make the web page for making it rank high to the search engine result page. That we'll discuss tomorrow. Because making a good bombasting language, very good language, writing web page is not enough to make it high in the search result. And until unless it is rank high, your web page or your web page making and your web page display will not be that much of attractive or that much of outful or needful. Any question you can ask directly or chat box. Okay, sir. Thank you for my service. So this part, that is search engine result page, and add paid search, that is search campaign part, and unpaid search, that is that organic result, and paid part is the inorganic result, is a totally new thing. So you have to understand. Whenever you understand clearly, your website will be the more fruitful, and your product will go to the that much of core people. If you some simple tricks that you can go a big and vast population. Like 1 or 2, 3 example I can give. Say Uber, they're a taxi company, but they don't have any taxi. They have made a website, they have made a portal in such a way that is initially it was not that much of popular, but they have optimized this all search engine optimization, all that campaign and etc. such a way it becomes popular. Now it is a big billion website, web portal where it becomes a big taxi company with zero taxis. So that is the example. So your thinking, your initiation, and your innovative or creativity work will do such a way that your product, your website will be ranked high in such conditions. There your website will be visible to everybody. So that is the thing. So any more question?